What up, y'all? Today we got a fresh hookup of the eggshell stickers and a scribe from the homies at graffhouse.com. And although they've been out for a while and I've gotten a few here and there from orders, I never really actually had a chance to fuck with the eggshells much. So this is dope, having a few stacks of my own to try out myself and see what they're really all about. Dope. These are the large Graff House 228s, like the USPS priority labels, so let's check them out. Yeah, these are fatty stickers. Really slick feel. I wonder what's the best marker to use. Leave a comment, let me know what you found to be the best markers to use on the eggshells are. These are the Graff House Eggshell Blues, like the Hello My Name Is stickers. Yeah, these are nice too. Actually, what I'm looking at is this edge here, because I heard that the eggshells are a little bit sensitive and hard to peel. So this little flap here should help when not fumbling around when daytime bombing. Nice. Another 50 stack of the Graff House Reds. Yeah, these are dope too. Oh, yup. Make sure to follow them on Instagram, y'all. Graff House Magazine. Oh, what else we got in here? Oh, sick. This is the Graff House logo sticker and the social hookup where you can get at the homies and order some of these yourself. They also sent a custom Graff House Pen Scriber. So for these stickers, I'm going to mainly just use the Sharpie Pro. This is the best chisel Sharpie I've used so far.
You don't make up for your sins in the church. You do it in the streets. You do it at
What?
home.
They don't want no fucking drama.
The rest is bullshit. You know it.
Y'all don't want no beef. Y'all ain't ready for this shit. For real. Hey yo, what? Hey yo, suckers try to hate on me, but I ain't tripping, G. If they step, we swarming them like killer bees. That's how it be. I'm the grimy king. Looney is Goonies, they all on my team. I try to keep the peace. Yes, cause it ain't ended well for enemies when I have beef. I'm the type to stop your face with some soccer cleats. Never been a fan of the gun clapping, just dope rapping and bitch slapping them unconscious, obnoxious. Narcissist, slick talking. Show boasting, I'm the greatest and I'm knowing. Yeah, you emo when it's showing. Intimidated, and I notice you ain't the type to square up and throw some closed fists. What? Another body drop with the deadly bars I got. Hit you like a sawed-off shotty shot. Brain splattered on the floor, sneaking up the spot. I'ma leave you there, watch your body rot. Twisted, smiling, crossing names off my hit list. Gifted with the business, work ethic. Got competition in they feelings. The East raised me, the savages said to get it flipped. Music like drugs, into the millions. I'm ambitious with my vision. I do it big like stars on the television. Built like a sumo, macking weather girls from Telemundo. With an ass like J-Lo, look at that culo. Authentic, not a gimmick, it's natural, so it's cool, yo. Authentic, not a gimmick, it's natural, so it's cool, yo. Get your bars up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up now. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up now. To all my peoples in the hood, what up? All my peoples in the ghetto, what up? All the kids in the project, what up? Yo, hey yo, come on, hey yo. Grew up in the hood around the tweakers and the dealers, the savages, the killers, pimps go gorilla, hustlers get skrilla, scammers trying to get ya. For everything you got, that's the way that it is when you living on the block. See your man make a living with a job, working overtime, but the problem isn't solved. Got a spot, but the lights cut off, the type of thing to make you grab a gun and rob anybody in the hood trying to floss. God, I'm praying for a miracle. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm trying to make it out with flows. Let's hit another market, take the show around the globe. I love my city, but I gotta make it out the know. Gotta get a plaque or a Grammy so I can take it home. Gotta get a plaque or a Grammy so I can take it home. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, still haven't made it out, but we ain't gonna stop. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, murder rate going up, lots of bodies got dropped. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, still haven't made it out, but we ain't going to stop. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest block, murder rate going up, lots of bodies got dropped. Government cheese and that EBT, busted sneaks and a faded tee. Dickie's playground, eating sandwiches for free. To be fitted as a young kid was a dream. Nowadays, I don't care for material things. I just wanna buy my mom's a crib out the ghetto so she don't gotta stress to live. As far as me, I want financial security. I don't think I'll be rocking diamonds and pinky rings. I'm still broke, so I really don't know. But on the real, if I'm rich, the meal's gourmet. Remember ramen noodles every day. We were poor, but we ate like a prison stay. This real life, no need to lie in the rhymes. I keep it humble, cause I lived through some grimy times. I can make it out and lose it all anytime. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, still haven't made it out, but we ain't gonna stop. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, murder rate going up, lots of bodies got dropped. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest blocks, still haven't made it out, but we ain't going to stop. Hey yo, we came up around the grimiest block, murder rate going up, lots of bodies got dropped. Yo, what up?
You guys believe in angels?
Y'all look like y'all ain't hungry. I don't see no dedication. I ate twice before I came, but I'm ready to eat again, homie. If you ain't doing nothing with that plate, I'ma take that. I think that's mine now. Playing with the game. I'm fat, but I'm starving like my rib cage is showing. Flex when I step in the ring, I'm Hulk Hogan. Punch you in the forehead, I'm busting your skull open. Blood dripping like a faucet if you talk shit. Ain't no competition, slaughter the whole offense. Run the jewels and the money in your wallet. I'm a monstrous killer, ain't no way that you can stop this. Out of control, heavy bars with a deadly flow. Murder rappers and stages, that be my stepping stone. So hungry I could turn into a cannibal. My mind's different, wired like an animal. Shh. Sociopath, no emotion on my face when I kill him with raps. I'm that crazy motherfucker, don't cross my path. From that Fresno jungle squares, get no pass. Dead serious, y'all don't hear no laughs. Get bodied in a second, you won't make it back. Run that chicken.
Oh, I can't. I won't get all my vitamins.
Tony Montana with the power moves. We put in work, little homie, better pay your dues. Survival of the fittest, might take your fucking food. Been beastin', it ain't nothing new. You a fetus, I'm a god, OG, and this ahead of my time. Veteran steeds, I'm seething, bitch, shitting on the whole rap game like I'm a pigeon. A bunch of drug addicts, mumbling and tweaking, auto-tuning when they speaking. Here for the moment, gone the next season. Battling me, shit. That's like a cat versus silverback. Rap about the trap, but in the court, you the first to rap. Live MC, y'all just fictional gangsters with ghost writers that don't even write fire. The trends come and go when your time has expired. I'm the boss of the whole rap game, you're fucking fired.
Cause next time I come for you, I'm gonna want some cocktail.
So I made sure that all these stickers were in different spots outside for at least 48 hours. Now we can play the part of the angry store owner or the angry city worker.
Goddamn fucking kids, fucking tag on shit, fucking bullshit, you can tag on your own fucking house.
USPS came off easy. Walmart sticker came off easy. Montana paper sticker was a little harder to remove, but you still can't see the tag, and pretty much that's the point, right? And now the Graff House Eggshell. As soon as you pick at it, it falls off into little pieces. I mean, come on, man. Even the infamous monkey paw technique is no match for them. All of them are coming off and no tags are left. So now the big eggshell sticker. Off of the glass, the only way to remove it is to scrape it with a scraper or a razor blade. Look at that shit, man. Man, fuck that. And that's what you want. You want the motherfucker to work hard to get your shit going, you know what I'm saying? Even the part of the eggshell that didn't get good contact, it don't matter because the rest did. And as soon as you start to peel it back, like an eggshell, you got little broken pieces of sticker, not the entire sticker. man. Eggshell stickers. These are fucking dope. Again, good looking out, graffhouse.com. I definitely fucks with these real tough.
Then we'll fox with each other.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.